They attempted to change the platform to address the criticism, and watch what happened.
Is there any further discussion? Hearing none, the matter requires a 2/3 vote in the affirmative. All those delegates in favor say aye. All those delegates opposed say no. In the opinion of the... Let me do that again. All of those delegates in favor say aye. All those delegates opposed say no. I guess
You've got a rule, and then you've got to let them do what they're going to do. Rules.
I'll do that one more time. All those delegates in favor say aye. All those delegates opposed say no. In the opinion of the chair, 2/3 have voted in the affirmative. The motion is adopted, and the platform has been amended as shown on the screen.
2/3. Some questions, I suppose, about whether they really got the 2/3 majority they needed. You heard the audio. But for now, the platform is changed. And a senior campaign official now confirms to Fox News that President Obama personally got involved to make all this happen. John Roberts.